Here in the video, we are going to talk about Hacoo Error Code 103500008. The error reads, "This message is not available due to your app settings." Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar, and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. The error comes when users try to open a product link, especially from Telegram, but instead of the link opening properly, the app shows this error. According to our research, this error may be triggered by restrictions in the app settings, incorrect region settings, outdated app version, network problems, or missing permissions. The first thing we suggest is to quit the app, then restart your device. Once done, open the app again and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then try logging out of your account and log back in. Then check for the error. If the error still persists, then consider changing your app region. After making the changes, check for the error again. If the error still continues, then check if your app is updated to the latest version. If not, update the app and check if this helps with the error. If the error still doesn't resolve, then try disconnecting and reconnecting your internet. Then open the app and check for the error again. If you still get the error, then try connecting over a different Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot and see if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then go to your device settings and check if all the required permissions are given to the Hacoo app. If any permission is missing, grant it and check if this resolves the error. At last, if the error still persists, try uninstalling and reinstalling the Hacoo app. Once reinstalled, open the app and check for the error again. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.